Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little trick today. I don't know how big a deal it is. If we take an ellipse, we take a square, and we take a polygon, and if here's a little fact. I mean, if you take this with a smart fill tool, you can fill in that and you have that shape. But if you just want to take the pick tool and turn that one blue, that one red, and that one yellow, and you can always see the ones are always on top, the one you created last. So if we select all these and go up to object and convert them to a curve, and then if we select them all with the shape tool, we can go right here and break curve apart. Then you pretty much have to do this individually. Go up here and go up to object, break the curve apart. So I'm selecting each object individually. So now that you have this done, I have to do it with the shape tool. Maybe. Oh, you know what? I'd grabbed another item. Well, there's break curve apart. Maybe I can just select it. There it is. So now we have individual lines. Anything that touches an individual line. Now, I said this trick wasn't all that. But if you take your virtual segment delete key, holding down the shift key, and select them all, it'll put them back to where they were. So, big deal? I don't know. But it is another function of the virtual segment delete key that I wouldn't worry about. But just remember the shift key will do the trick. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.